Okay, so there's a new question for all of you on the screen right now. Turn on your cameras, all of you, and get started with this question. There are 5 numbers on your screen and you have to find out which one is the odd one out, depending upon one logic, where 4 out of 5 will follow a rule and 1 out of 5 will not follow a rule. Hadn't logic. I'm not taking anyone's name now without the logic. Fine. Good, Hadn't. Good, Amoka. Correct answer, correct logic. There are 2 logics giving you the same correct answer, okay? So if possible, tell me both logics. Hannah told one, Amoka told one. Shivan, very good. 3 correct logics and answers. Fine, Navya. Wait for a minute and then we'll discuss the question. Check for the divisibility rules or check for the property of numbers like composite or prime numbers. Dhruv, I need the logic. Without that, I'm not taking anyone's name. I told you. Jian, answer. Ronak, answer. Viona, Vivan, answer. Shivansh, answer. Okay, logic. All of you who wrote the answers right now, please give me the logic. Good, Dhruv. Good, Kirtana. Correct answer and logic. Well, time's up. 1 minute up now. So, Ayush, did you give the answer to this question?
No, ma'am, I didn't. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, so Ayush and Navya and others who did not understand, pay attention. And others who are writing the logic, Arav, Jian, Amoka, Meera, correct logic, very nice. Now Ayush, pay attention. 18 is a number which is divisible by 3, correct? 27 is also divisible by 3. 51 is also divisible by 3, and for that you don't need to divide and check. The shortcut of checking it is 5 plus 1. If 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3, no, Ayush, then the number is also divisible by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3. Everyone can remember it. This is the divisibility rule of 3. That means if I give you a big number, look everyone on the screen, 2, 3, 5, 9, 6, 7. Now can you tell me this is divisible by 3 or not? Add the numbers up. Add the numbers up. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 7, 32. Ayush. 32 is divisible by 3? No. So this number is also not divisible by 3. But if I just change this 8 and I 7 and I write 8, now the sum will become 33. Is 33 divisible by 3? Yes. So this number will also be divisible by 3. So that is the divisibility rule of 3. Okay. So we see that if I add all of this 9, 9, 6, 11 and 9, all the numbers 18, 27, 51 and 90 are divisible by 3. And because they are divisible by 3, can we say that they are composite numbers also? because they are divisible by more than 2 numbers. And if I consider 29, which is my answer, this is the odd one out because number one, it's a prime number. It cannot be divisible by other numbers. And secondly, it's not divisible by 3. Okay, Ayush, understood? Navya, understood? Viona, you are very, very silent. Did you understand this question? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Viona, tell me 2794. Is this number divisible by 3 or not? Others, tell me in the chat. Good, everyone in the chat.
No, ma'am.
No, how did you get that?
What, ma'am?
How did you get the answer that it's not divisible?
Because the number
Say, Viona, no problem. Say.
because
You're paying attention in the class, right? Whatever we are discussing.
yes, ma'am.
What was the divisibility rule of 3 we discussed? Just a minute before.
Ma'am, that time I was talking to my mother.
Okay, Viona, don't do this, okay? And thanks for telling me the truth. I appreciate that. So I will tell you what we did. The divisibility rule of 3 is adding up all the numbers. Okay, so if you add 2 plus 7, you get a 9. If you add 9 plus 9, you get a 18. And if you add 18 plus 4, you get a 22. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
22 doesn't comes in the table of 3. No,
No.
does it come? No. So because it does not come in the table of 3, this number will also not be divisible by 3. Had this number been 3, Navya, pay attention.
What,
Yeah,
ma'am?
Viona. I was saying Navya also, she is also having a doubt. So pay attention, Navya. Viona, had I made it a 93, the sum would become how much? Add and tell me.
What, ma'am?
Add the digits and tell me what will be the sum.
2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is
Say count. Navya, you tell me what is the sum of all the 4 digits?
oh yes, wait, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yeah, both of you do and tell me the answer. No one is supposed to stop. Viona, you also. Kirtana, Harned, I know you people know the
21, ma'am.
answer. Okay. Good, Viona. Navya, did you get 21? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Did you get 21, Navya?
Yes, ma'am.
Is 21 divisible by 3?
Yes.
3 sevens are? Yes. So if this number is divisible by 3, this number is also divisible by 3. That is the divisibility rule. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, Viona. Thank you, Navya. Say, Harned, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, will this rule work for all the numbers? Like
Yeah.
4, 5,
Any
6,
big
7?
number. Yeah.
But like
will work.
if in 4, if we take like 100.
No, not 4. No. I said the unlimited number of digits, Harnit. Like any longer number will also work for divisibility rule of 3, not for 4. 4 is different. Last 2 digits. I'll tell you about that later, not now. Okay. Yeah, this is under mathematics, Harnit. You will learn it. Say, Kirtana.
Miss, I mistakenly given plus.
Okay. Now you understood the question, no?
Yes.
Good, Kirtan. All right, new question. TVADMOPRQS. Tell me the answer with the logic. Tell me the answer with the logic I said. Shivan is the only one who gave me the answer with the logic. Yep. Good, Meera. That's the right logic. Shivansh, no. Shivansh, TV ad has no meaning here. You have to find the relation between the place value of the alphabets. T is 20, V is 22. A is 1, D is 4, M is 13, O is 15. Do the question like that. Amoka, correct logic. Navya, that's wrong answer even. Try to do it that way I told. Wrong, Ronak. And those, I'm not taking those names who are not giving me the logic, okay? Swarnim, that is correct. Dhruv, correct. Harnesh, are you sure of the option you have written? I think in the beginning what you told was okay. No, Harnesh, that's not the correct one. Arav, correct logic. Amoka, correct logic. Kirtana, correct. Jian, correct. Be quick. 15 minutes are left. Ayush, correct logic. No, Vanya, that's not correct. Ayush, that's correct. Okay, I have read your answer. All right, my turn now. I'll be telling. So as we discussed that T is 20 and V is 22. So that means we have a gap of 1 or plus 2 is the logic. Similarly, A is 1 and D is 4. The logic is plus 3. M is 13, O is 15, and the logic is plus 2. So I already know my answer, but still I'll confirm. P is 16, R is 18 plus 2, and Q is 17, and S is 19 plus 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2. All of these letters have a gap of 2 except AD, which has a difference of 3. So AD is my odd one out. Yes, Vanya, say.
Ma'am, I have sent AD only and you have said it's wrong.
No, Vanya, I took someone, maybe I saw someone else's answer. Okay.
Okay.
And wait a second, Vanya. I'll just confirm. Let me look at the screen. Vanya, I can't even. One second. Vanya, I didn't even got your answer. First, I got Shiven, then Amoka, then Swarnim, Meera, Arav, Shivan, Shamoka, Navya, Ronak, Dhruv, Swarnim, Harnid, Arav, Amoka, Kirtana, Jian, Ayush. Vanya, that's the last one you said. Okay, okay. Fine, Vanya. You did not give me the correct logic. No, that's why I told it in hurry. Okay. Answer is right. Logic was missing. Okay, Navya. Fine, everyone. So, answer is AD. Any questions here? No? Good. Then we will do another question now. Okay. This one is another question based on groups of letters. But this is very interesting. My favorite question. My favorite question. Very good, Shivan. That's the right answer. With the logic. Of course, send the answer with the logic. Type the logic. Again, I will not repeat it that I need the logic. No one else with the answer. E is, who said that, Kirtana? Don't you think that OU is a vowel? Then I'm still getting answers without the logic, so I'm not taking your names, okay? Shiven, did you change your answer by any chance? I'm getting correct answers, but these people are not writing their logic, so I will not take their name. Say Harnit.
Ma'am, did you get my answer till just now?
Yeah, I got it just now. Okay. No. No, Kirtana. Correct, Amoka. That's the right logic. We'll try your logic also, Harnit. We'll see if that works or not. Navya, say.
In all these letters, these are the vowels.
Yes.
And how can I find it?
You have to find out the position of the vowels, Navya. Think in that way. Which vowel is present where? Say, Vanya.
Mom, I can't understand it.
No problem. I'll solve it. Say, Shivansh. Aditya, that's not correct. Meera, that's the right logic. But answer, are you sure? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have seen my answer.
Yes. But I did not see any option with there. Shivansh. Which option did you take?
Ma'am, E is the option. Ma'am,
That's
E.
wrong. No. A, E, I, O, U, all are vowels. Here, everything is a vowel only. So don't consider that something is a vowel and something is not a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are all vowels. Okay. Now, what's the right answer? The right answer is B. How? A, E, consecutive. What is consecutive? Next to each other. A and E are next to each other. I and O are next to each other. E and I are next to each other. O and U are next to each other. But which one is not the one which is next to each other? A and I. They have a vowel between them, that is E. and that's why they are not consecutive, and B is my answer. Now I'll just check what Harnid made mentioned. Yeah, Viona, you what say?
I sent my answer in B only and my logic also.
I got your answer, Viona, but I got your logic now, just 1 minute back. I was discussing the question.
Yes, ma'am. I let it 1 minute back only.
Okay. Kirtana, say.
Since I don't understand this question, and I send the option is D. And
But
you said
only the
correct.
option. I know. But you did not send me the logic. A and E are next to each other, Kirtana. Correct? In
Yes.
vowels. I and O are next to each other. E and I are next to each other. And O and U are next to each other. But A and I are the only ones who have a vowel between them. So that's why this is the odd one out. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Ayush, say welcome.
Ma'am, actually, I got the answer as D, ma'am. When you were explaining, I got D, ma'am, because in middle of A and D, 4 letters are there. In middle of A and I, 8 letters are there. In middle of I and O, there are 6. And in middle of E and I, 3. And O and U, 16, ma'am. And in those E and I's middle letters only have odd number.
Yeah, Ayush. That was what even Harnit was saying. So yes, this is one another logic which can be possible. 5 and no. You did a mistake here, Ayush. A and E. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 plus 4 is 9, not 3. We have 3 letters in the middle, Ayush, but plus 4 only we'll do, no? So that will not be 3, that will be 4 only. Okay. And this is 15. 15 plus how much is 21? 16. So 16 is correct. Got it, Ayush? Got it, Harned? Say Harned.
Ma'am, it's +6, not 16.
Oh, yeah. Correct. Thank you. All right, now it's time for us to go to the chocolate questions. Here comes the first chocolate question for the day. This is a very different logic. Shiven, what are you doing? The answer you have written is absolutely wrong. I mean, the logic. It's related to the previous one, Shiven. No, Vivan, that's not correct. I'll give you a quick sneak peek, okay? Hint number 1. Square numbers. Square numbers. Hint number 2. 7 into 7 is 49. Wrong answer, Meera. 6. Very good, Shiven. That's correct. 6 into 6 is 36. 11 into 11 is 121. Now remaining you people will do. Very good, Kirtana. Now people are giving me the right answer with the logic. Swarnim, logic. Jian, logic. Amuka, I'm explaining. So here in this question, the logic is square numbers. Every number except one number is a square number. Like square number means the number obtained as a product of two numbers multiplied with itself. Like 7 multiplied with itself gives you 49. So 49 is a square number. 6 multiplied with itself gives you 36. So that is also a square number. 11 multiplied with itself gives you 121. So it is also a square number. 9 multiplied with 9 gives you 81. So 81 is also a square number. And 12 multiplied with 12 gives you 144, which is also a square number. That means which one is not a square number? 42 is not a square number, and that makes my answer. Yes, very good. Thank you for the correct logics in the chat. Say Shiven. Then I'll go to Meera.
Ma'am, in this question there are two E's. That the other E should be converted to
FF. Correct. Thank you. This option should go as F. Okay. Now, Meera, say quickly. Then I'll tell you where to get the homework from.
Okay. Ma'am, 4
Even
plus
the
4 is
test.
6. It is divided by 3. 9 plus 4 is equal to 12, which is also... No, 9.
Hey,
Yeah,
13.
yeah. 9 plus 4
Okay.
is 13.
That logic will not work.
Ma'am, can we do that question of the day now?
No. I have one more question. I have more questions, chocolate questions below. You can check the reading material also. Okay.
Okay.
But the thing is that I have to give you the test also. So please send it in the doubt form, no, or else keep it ready. We'll do it in the next class. Okay, next Saturday. Fine, Meera?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let me just quickly give you people the test link. We'll have a test discussion, okay, on the next Saturday. So be prepared, everyone. And because you have an entire week, so please don't give me any excuses that you were not able to do the test or anything like that, okay? So no excuses. I am just sending the test right away in the chat. There we go. And please do the test on time. Finish the test and submit the test by what time? By Friday. Okay. Submit the test by Friday. Don't take more time than Friday. Submit it in the Google form so that I get your scores as well. Okay. And then we can discuss your questions and additional doubts. For this question's answer, the answer is A because it's a season. Oh no. And the remaining are time of day. There you go. Here's the test link. Copy paste that or bookmark it. All right. Fine. Yes, Shivan. Say quick. Then I'll go to Shivansh.
Ma'am, I was just saying that I didn't get the link and now I got it.
Yeah. Shivansh, say. Say Shivansh. No doubt.
Ma'am, how to bookmark?
Control D.
Okay.
Control plus D. Otherwise, there's a plus sign at the top of the link, Shivansh. You can use that also. Don't worry. Olympiad Success will send this to your parents' WhatsApp number as well. So don't worry about that. Just do the test before Friday. Okay. And one last question. The same one. How was the class? Answer it quickly. Then we'll meet you on Saturday. Thank you so much. All right then. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye,
Take care.
Bye, ma'am. The class
Thanks,
was
Jian.
Ma'am, the
Thank you.
good. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.